serve us well, buddy. A very cool feature is that at all of the elevators, wherever you get off, there's always a list and a map of the ship. So it shows you where you are, the things that are on that floor, things that are in relation to the rest of the ship, which floor they're on. So it's really, really helpful to navigate your way around. And here we are at the Wonderland Imaginative Cuisine. No, we don't have reservations. We're not dining. We're just going to do a quick walkthrough, look through real quick. Good morning. Good morning. How are you folks doing this morning? Doing good. Well, it's our last day, full day, and it's a sea day. Natalie's gone back to the room to rest a little bit. Still not feeling well from chest and head cold. I'm feeling way, way better, so. This is the arcade on deck 6, just outside of the Ultimate Abyss. It's pretty small, but it's kind of cool.
Step right up and take your best shot. Little pro basketball.
I think there is a bigger arcade on the ship. I'm not sure exactly where. If we find it, I'm not gonna really try and chase it down, but there are tons of videos out there of the different arcades and stuff, so. I got a bag of zombie ducks here, and I'm fixing to go hide them. It's our last day on the ship. It's our sea day before we come back into port tomorrow. So let's go hide some ducks. We're also going to deliver some goodies to some people, right?
Yes.
Yay, party time.
Coming back, cussing and grinning and humming that tone, puffing out smoke from my hand bone. Got to the city with a big old grin, pulled poor grease rolling down his chin. Try to make money while I'm having some fun, thinking like a chicken with a BB gun. Gig. How the crowd going to super jig. Grab them girlies with a go-to grin.
So these are the least expensive ice creams anywhere on the sea.
Thank you.
Chocolate as well, please. Thank you so much. Oh yeah.
We gotta be right. There ain't no danger, we can go too far. We start believing now that we can be who we are. It's got me in. Automatic, systematic, traumatic, white grease lightning. We got some everyday lifters and all about quantity. Baby, don't sweat it. You're not cut out for the job. Better forget it. What's their head down by a star?
What do you call a caveman's fart? A blast from the past. Hey, Patty, do a sprint, give a yell, shake your jugs for all right now. Hey.
Tell me about it, stud.